Ang power, just for many of us na matagal-tagal na hindi nagkikita-kita, ay naitatag noong as early as 2001 in the months leading to the approval of the IPIRA. At malawak po ang naabot nating network, ranging from church organizations, community organizations, people's organizations, ang ating mga scientists and technologists, economists, people in the industry. Dahil nakita na natin as early as 2001 na magkakaroon ng problema eventually itong in-unleash ng IPIRA na deregulation, privatization, liberalization of the power industry. So for this morning, we have invited some people who are in the thick of the issues of the power rate increases, and we have prepared a program. Bale, two parts po ang ating program. The first part, we will just get some updates from the petitioners in the Supreme Court against the Meralco power rate hike. Kasama ko natin si Congressman Merico Benares.
Itong power issue, nag-file kami sa Korte Suprema. Short lang, two issues ang sa Korte Suprema. Una, inattack namin yung 4 pesos 15 cents na increase. At pangalawa, nag-attack tayo sa constitutionality ng ilang provisions ng IPIRA. Bakit mo in-approve despite 3 unprecedented events? 1, pinakamataas na generation charge sa history. 2, simultaneous shutdowns. Wala ka bang matuda man lang doon ng konti? Nasabay-sabay, pumus dili konti ba? Teka muna, bakit napakataas nito? Plus may simultaneous shutdowns. And 3, nagpabid ang Meralco ng 62 pesos sa Genco. Mamaya discuss natin konti kasi marami talagang tataka dyan. Siya ang bumibili, siya ang nag-utos sa supplier kung magkano ang ibenta sa kanya at tinataasan niya, diba? 62 pesos. WESM para sa amin, WESM for us, IPIRA must go. There is no way you can allow a very important part of your economy to be subjected to the vagaries of the market, such as WESM, especially yung ganitong klaseng kalagayan sa atin. But if there's one thing we realize in this issue, itong 4 pesos 15 cents para sa amin, imposible na talagang matalo pa tayo dito. Bakit? Halos may pag-amin na ang lahat ng respondents na mali yung 4 pesos 15 cents. Ngayon, kailangan lang siyang ma-extend sa 5 pesos 33 cents. Kasi kung ano ang basis ng 4 peso increase noong November, pareho lang naman ang basis, ang sitwasyon na nangyari para doon sa 5 peso increase. So, ang parinig namin sa Korte Suprema, doon sa motion namin recently for the extension of the TRO, pansinin nyo na itong 5 peso 33 cents at dapat hindi ito ma-impose ng Meralco. IPIRA has been there for 12 years. It has promised affordable electricity rates to us. It failed to deliver that. It has promised competition and a lot of power plants sprouting over the country. Hindi naman nangyari yun. In fact, ang sabi namin, hindi nga dapat hayaan yun eh. Dapat nga, gobyerno ang may hawak no. IPIRA has failed us for 12 years. It's about time we turn off the lights on IPIRA. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you,